So as you guys have seen my thumbnail, it's gonna be about my 1 year transformation. So it's obvious that I'm gonna wear the dress which I have worn in the thumbnail again to see how much difference I can see in that dress. Okay, so before getting into this video, let me just go check my weight and then yeah, let's get started with the video. Well, I didn't do any makeup, any hairstyle, nothing. So I think I need to do that. So y'all can see me. Well, let me just say you that this dress was given to my friend for her cousin's wedding. She really loved this dress of mine. So she was thinner than me, and obviously she had altered it. So I didn't wear this dress after that wedding. So it's today I'm opening it and wearing it again, and then I realized that it's already altered. But I'm happy, I can wear this dress correctly because last year when I tried wearing it, it did not enter. But I'm happy that I turned slimmer this year. I think my face looks smaller compared to previous year, and yeah, I have lost much weight. You guys have seen it. I know it's not a big difference while it comes to weight, but while you look at me, you can find a difference for sure. I have lost many pics last year because due to my phone storage was not enough, I had to delete many pics. So there are very few pics. Please do compare it. So this is one of my before one, last year's one, and this is the today's one. I'll click it. Today, I post it. Okay, beautiful people around there. So y'all have seen some pics of mine. So let me just discuss about my weight loss journey. Well, my biggest insecurity was my breast size. I was 37.9 inch when I measured my bust size, previous year, and now it's 32.7. So you can see a difference. Well, I can say that you don't get results within a shorter span of time unless and until you follow any diet. So I didn't follow any diet, I just exercised. So 2021, I had taken a resolution of losing my weight. I was looking so dumb with this dress previous year. I was looking like a drum. I felt that. Dress was really pretty, but it didn't go well with my body. But now it's going very good. I'm really loving it. Let me just say that I didn't follow any diet, anything like that. I just exercise. My biggest thing was I just started doing skipping a lot. First 2 months I couldn't skip properly, but now I can do it. At first I couldn't even jump 2 times with that rope. Now 200 jumps without any break. So isn't that great? I'm really happy with this transformation. If I can do it, then obviously you can do it. So please go give it a try. Now let me speak about other things where I had gained my fat. I had gained much of my fat over here in my back fat as well as my tummy region. So my main reason to make this thing bigger, usually we make a shorter one up till here or something like that. Yeah, so make a shorter one and we keep some space over here. Usually while you wear lehengas and all, but I didn't want to do that because I had a big tummy. If you guys see those pics of mine, y'all can understand how much fat I had all over my body. So I plan to work out daily. So this was last year, 28th October, this day itself, previous year. one of my cousin's wedding. I'm pretty sure she's watching this. Anything, many clothes didn't suit me. More than suiting, it didn't fit me. That was the problem. Because of my big bust size, this was my biggest insecurity. Later comes my tummy fat. I have lost almost fat from almost all different regions: hands, back fat, breast size, tummy, even thighs. I look much slimmer and prettier. I even pretty sure I lost some fat from my face region too. I'm looking quite good. Yeah, no? Yeah, I'm looking good. Now it's time to switch to another outfit, and over there I'll be saying you guys whose exercise, what else did I do to reduce my, thinking about the workouts, what stuff I did in the morning, in the evening, what else did I do with the workouts. Okay, so let's switch my clothing. Oh my god, so my zip is not working. Also, I've become thin, so everything is loose right now, so I have used safety pin to cover it up. So that's me. How am I looking in this gown? Please do comment. Okay, so let me just speak about the workouts I did to reduce my weight. So first of all, I guess you must be knowing clothing. Her 2 weeks ab workout has been popular in YouTube during the lockdown, and even I tried it. I got to see such a good result. I lost my fat from the tummy area. I was like, wow, I need to go do this more. I need to follow many other exercises with it. So as I told you, my biggest insecurity is my bust size. So I wanted to reduce this thing at any cost. Well, I searched for many videos. Many had dumbbells, which I don't have. So what I did was, I used 2 water bottles, 1 liter water bottle, to do these workouts. I followed Clothing's workout, Hannah Milli's workout, Roberta's gym exercise, workout 4D, and many other like skipping, walking, yoga, meditation. So these are the stuffs I followed. I do provide the links in the description below. Also, I wanted to reduce weight from other regions of my body like tummy, back fat, you gather fat over here also. I wanted to reduce this area too. And my thighs. I wanted gap between my thighs. So I followed Amy Wong's exercise for this. Amy Wong's and April Hunt's exercise to reduce my thigh fat. Also, Clothing's workout, Lily Sabri's workout. If you check out these popular influencers YouTube channel, you'll get many different workout videos. I tried doing one of them, either for the lower belly, waist, abs, shred challenge, the love handles, the back fat, for slimming my arms, and to get collar neck bones. Also, I had reduced my face fat, I can say. Yeah, I have reduced. I can feel it, and I've become thinner. So I did many such stuffs, and again, I didn't follow any diet. Once again, I'm saying it. I had taken resolution this year, 2021, that I want to reduce my weight at any cost. After wearing that pink color and this gown, I can feel that I was not looking good. Dresses were looking pretty, but I was not looking good with that dress. So I thought of losing my weight at any cost. And obviously, due to lockdown, I had gained more fat, more weight. Previous one I couldn't remove, and I got still more because of these lockdown holidays. And it was still more harder for me. I had bought a skipping rope 2 years back, and it was lying there itself because I never used it. So my mom was the one who was like, use skipping rope to reduce weight. Also, it can help you to grow taller. I was 4-10 and now I'm 4-11. I was somewhere around 149 centimeter, how much I remember, and now I'm 152 centimeter. You know, I know there isn't any huge difference, but I need to grow taller. At least 5-5. I think that would be better. I would look good. And you guys have seen my weight. I was 57 kgs last year. Around 57 kgs. I'm not sure about it. But because of this shopping, I had checked my weight in one of the place, and I could see I had gained much more fat. So I had decided that I want to reduce. I'm now 50.6. I know it takes I took one whole year to reduce 7 kgs, but it was quite helpful. Much hard work I had put into it to reduce my weight. Finally, I'm satisfied, but yeah, I need to reduce still more weight, somewhere around 45. If I'm 50.6, right? So I want to lose around 3 to 4 kgs. Yeah, then I think I'll look pretty, still more prettier, still more slimmer. And this dress, I don't know what I'll do with this after this because it's so loose. It used to look like this, but now I'm slim. Everything has come down. See, there's so much of gap in this dress. I don't know what to do now. But it was pretty good doing all the workouts. Let me just say you what else I did with it. I used to meditate in the morning. I used to do yoga in the morning. These two habits I followed daily. I didn't find any difference for first 3 or 4 months. But still I continued it, and today I can see really good results and I'm grateful. So what I'm trying to say is, don't give up if you don't get results within first 3 or 4 months. You need to keep going. I didn't get any results. I didn't get results near my chest area, actually my upper area, my upper body. Lower body, I could feel that my legs are slimming, my thighs are become thinner. I could feel that, but not my upper body. My problem is with my upper body and not my lower body. I tried my level best, and now I can feel and see the difference. So you should not lose hope. You need to keep yourself motivated, encouraged, and keep going on. You will get a result for sure if you don't stop in between. If you stop in between, then so much of hard work you had put, everything will go into vain. So don't do it. Speaking about my weight loss journey, I didn't follow any diet. Once again saying it, I had sweets, I had junk food, I ate everything. I couldn't control. It is so hard. I thought I'll diet for 1 week, then see, nothing. I couldn't even eat those salads. Looking at them, I felt like, ugh, I can't have them. I want something masala, spicy. You know, Indians love spicy food a lot. Sweet dishes. So I couldn't control, and I had whatever I wanted. But once I was a beginner, I had taken so much of pain while doing all those exercises. Oh my god. It was paining. My legs, hands, thighs, everything was paining. I had this pain for a month. I don't know why. But then later I got used to it. Now I passed from an beginner to an intermediate, so I'm in between this intermediate position. So I can do many exercises in a day, 2 times in the morning, 2 times in the evening, but I don't do it. So that's what I can say in this whole video. So let me just compare my pics. Okay, so this is the previous one and this is the after one, and let me just say that I don't have many pics of mine. Okay, so you people have seen me wearing those clothes once again. I didn't remove my makeup yet, it's still there. But I need to say it was a wonderful experience wearing those outfits once again. Seeing how slim I have become. I think even you guys need to keep trying those things so that you get motivation, encouragement that yes, I've lost some weight, some fat, and keep continuing working out. So I hope you guys love this video. Then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out from my previous workout videos, subliminal videos, also my dance videos too.